I just got back from Tesla UK's biggest event of the year, Supercharged. There was so much to do and see. So, in this video, we're going to break down what I did, what was there, how exciting it was, and the reasons why you should definitely go next year. Welcome to Ben Goes Electric. So yeah, Supercharged, Tesla Owners Club UK's yearly event, packed full of things to do and see, events, sellers, everything, you name it. And this year, it was located in Millbrook Proving Ground, down in Bedfordshire. Now, you might have heard of that before. Any car to be validated in the UK basically ends up going there. They've got circuits, they've got high-speed bowls, you've probably seen it on Top Gear, it's featured in James Bond. It's a very famous site, and for this day only, the general public, Tesla owners, could experience it to the fullest, and we'll get onto that a bit later. But first, the actual event. So we started early, headed down, and I was a volunteer to start the day off by setting up the parts outside. So we had loads of benches to do and the Tesla kids test track thing. So we'll start with that. There was a little tyre course with little Model S's to drive around. We had mini Cybertrucks and the Cyber ATV thing that you've probably seen on the Tesla store. Now, it was quite fun to kind of watch people ride along on that, and even had YouTuber Tesla Jigsaw have a go on the ATV here, which was very funny to see. And I think that just shows it's a family day out. Bring your family down. There's a bouncy castle for kids. Yeah, there's a lot to kind of do. It's not just kind of Tesla boring stuff that people can see. There's a very exciting day and there's a lot to do. Also outside you had Cleverly EV Mobile. Now, you've probably heard of them. They kind of specialise in, obviously, EVs and Teslas. You know, end-of-warranty kind of inspections before you go to Tesla with any issues. You do repairs themselves for Teslas that are out of warranty. They're just specialists when it comes to that. So they were there just giving people any kind of advice and to talk about the services that they offer. You know, it's great to see because they are cars at the end of the day. They can go wrong. And when EVs that can last so long, way out of the warranty period, it's good to know that you've got specialised companies like Cleverly there to keep the EV going for as long as possible. I think the greatest thing outside in the actual event was a modified Tesla display. Now, it was fantastic. So, owners that have modified their Tesla in any way could turn up, park in a nice special area, and basically show us what they have done, the work and the dedication that they put in to kind of tweak their car, because let's be honest, all Teslas look the same. There's only 2 models to choose from, about 5 paints, so they all look the same, but these people don't like that and they've changed their cars massively, whether that's a special crazy colour or even scissor doors like this model had, or loads of stickers around the car, and this one had a little secret powertrain hidden inside the front. Now, I think they were absolutely crazy to see, and I just love, again, the work and dedication that these people put into their cars. It's inspiring is a word. I would love to do that to this car. Maybe one day we'll get this car looking a little bit different, but I've got some competition out there, definitely. Of course, being a Tesla event, Tesla themselves were there in a few different forms. Inside, they had their accessories and merch shop, all their stuff you can buy online, and some exclusive stuff, all discounted for us Tesla owners. Great to see that. They also had a presence outside. They had their mobile servicing team there, so you could book on before and they would do anything to do normally mobile at your house, or you could go and talk to them about any issues and they would suggest and give you advice of what to do. You know, that presence is really great, and you don't see that with other companies, let's be honest. They're there and they're there to help. You, of course, had the press team and they bought models that you could test drive. They had the Model 3 and Y, used to be called standard, just the normal Model 3 and Ys now, that you could take for a little test drive. And excitingly, around the track here at Millbrook. We'll talk about that in a bit later. Amazing. Definitely did that. And the biggest reason why a lot of people came, the Cybertruck was there. Now, the Cybertruck's made many appearances here in the UK. I've seen it at Manchester Service Centre, and I've seen it at the Liverpool one when that opened. But this one was a bit different. For the first time here in the UK, you could actually ride along again on the test track. Now that was incredible. I made sure to do that. I will have a full video about the Tesla Cybertruck ride-alongs and what I think about the actual truck. So when that's out, you'll see that. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. But shortened version, amazing, absolutely amazing. The turning circle and the power, the comfortability of inside, it was crazy. I loved it, and hopefully one day we'll see it here in the UK fully for us to own and drive. But definitely an amazing car that they make, and sad that it's basically confined to the US. It needs to be spread to more places. We need it. Let's just say that. So the Cybertruck was definitely a very, very popular part of this event, but it doesn't just stop there. We had the Model X display, so a nice special area where Model X owners could display their cars, because it was kind of a farewell to the Model X as it's now discontinued across the world. So you had the old original models, you even had the newer plaid models. It was lovely to see, you know, from their Falcon Wing doors and their unique design. It's sad to see the Model X go, and it's now being replaced, of course, with the Model YL, just recently released in the US and hopefully soon to come to Europe. Some spy shots at the Nürburgring have just been seen recently with camouflage Model Ys. Definitely the Model YL. It's coming to Europe, hopefully very, very soon. Of course, you had food vendors outside too. We had ice cream, fish and chips, and we had a Venezuelan food truck. Some beautiful food there, a little bit different from your standard food truck options. Amazing event so far. And to add on, it was great to see and chat to a lot of you who watch this channel and notice me. You know, you guys have really made this a dream to do, and thank you. That's all I can say. Thank you for coming to speak to me and chat about whatever. It was great, and I hope to see a lot more of you in the future. So, again, thanks for making this channel what it is. It means a massive amount. Before we head inside the event, we'll talk about the actual grounds at Millbrook and what you could do. And I've already mentioned the test tracks that they have. So, they have two areas that we could use on that event. They had the Alpine Hill course and they had the famous bowl. So after doing a little safety briefing, you get a wristband and then you can head out, either in one of Tesla's cars that they bought, or you can even take your own car around the bowls, and I did both. So you started with the hill course, some amazing gradients and views with the basic car going up and around and down all over the place. It was amazing. And then on to the high-speed bowl, where you could do up to 100 miles per hour. In the UK, that's the fastest you could definitely drive legally here in the country. And again, I've done that in this car, and I will have a video of that coming very shortly. But it was an amazing experience to drive around the track that I've seen on Top Gear, James Bond. It was an amazing feeling that, you know, you don't get. And I'm kind of privileged to now be able to experience that myself as a civilian here. And you know, again, thanks to Tesla Owners UK for allowing that to happen. And finally, we'll head inside to the event, where we had talks and panels going on in a little kind of conference room, where anything from FSD, they spoke about FSD in the US and Europe, the differences between that, and also what is the future of it here in the UK and when they think it's going to make an appearance. You also had things about road trips. You had a guy who's been to Istanbul and Morocco, you know, giving his advice of all these road trips and stories about what his experience. And, you know, it's kind of just great to hear these things and different advices from people about the best way to do this and kind of little tips and secrets. You know, this is what makes the community really, really great. And then on the other side, you had the sellers and merch people. Yeah, people like 3W Autolife, a sponsor of this channel, of course, selling their mats and aero covers for the models. You know, it's great to speak to them. You have the xlightshows.io, Simon, who organises these amazing light shows, selling his merch and talking about light show software and all that crazy stuff. You had Snoozu mattresses. You had Tesla Jigsaw there with his referral link and discounts to make sure you get a beautiful, comfortable mattress for your car. You had many more. You know, there's so many to kind of name. I'm sorry for missing anybody out. It was a very busy day, a very hot day as well. It was during that heat wave in the UK, and we're about to hit another one right now. So that's why I'm sat in my car with the air conditioning on. It's another hot one. It was a great event, and if you missed it, don't worry, because it happened every single year. And this was the first year here at Millbrook Proving Ground. Don't forget to head to the Tesla Owners Club UK website to check out for future events so you don't miss this one that happened every single summer. But that was it. That was my experience. There was just so much to kind of do. I couldn't even really film on the day. I was just kind of in, speaking to people and experiencing all these cool things. So I thought I'd just have a nice little roundup. So I hope you have enjoyed that video. Again, my video of the Cybertruck will be coming soon, and my drive around the track at Millbrook will be coming as separate videos. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. And like, comment, let us know if you came and what you enjoyed about that event. And that is it for this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.